Here are my top goals for 2023. Number one, business growth. I want my business obviously to grow like most of us do, but I have a specific goal which I think is very helpful. One thing I think that's really important for accomplishing goals is setting a number. Set a number for money you want to make, set a number for followers you want to make, anything like that. Make sure you have a number picked out. So for me, I want my Etsy to grow. I want a lot of sales on Etsy and I want to be constantly turning out products. On average, every month, I make about $1,000 a month on Etsy. So my number for 2023 is $2,000. I want my business to double on Etsy. $2,000 a month I think is very doable for myself, but I also know that it's gonna be a little bit challenging because I have to come up with more products. That brings me to my second subcategory of growing my business, which is create more products. I need to be more active on creating more products. I'm a pretty creative guy. I am constantly thinking of ideas and things to make and things to build that I think would sell really well either on Etsy or in just any public marketplace. My problem is acting on those things. So my goal is to act on my creative thoughts. When I think of something that I think would sell well, I need to just get out to the shop and start building it, or get into my 3D program and start modeling it out and just get ready to build it. My second goal is to grow my social media. And I don't want to grow my social media just because I want views and I want the numbers. Okay, that's kind of a lie. I do want views and I do want my numbers to grow, but it's the reason behind that I think is important. I want more followers and I want more people viewing my videos and my content because I want to help. I have here written in my notes, be the influencer that I didn't have when I started. I want to be more of an influencer. I want to influence you to learn and I want to help you to learn. One of my other sub goals of this goal is to teach more. I want to be teaching everybody who comes to my page and my channel more. I really enjoy teaching. I've always loved to just teach people little things and show them how it's done because it's fun. It's super fun to see somebody who doesn't know something come to me and then they know something. It's super cool. If you've taught somebody something that's helped them get to where they want to be, you understand it's a super fun process. My third goal is to actually start a new business. I have had a business idea in my brain for about 1.5 years now, and I really want to start it. It has nothing to do with woodworking. I definitely want to use YouTube to monetize it and stuff, but it's a whole different kind of genre of business, and it seems like it would be really, really fun. And hopefully in growing my social media and growing my business, I can then afford to start this new business because I need money to fund the business. But I think it's a good goal. I think having the goal of starting another business and making more ways to create money is always a good thing, and it's something people should always be looking for. But that's hopefully to come mid-year or so, so we'll see. I'm not gonna say too much about it just because it's irrelevant right now. My next goal is to work more with brands. I want to be more involved in the community through brands. I think that there are a ton of good woodworking brands out there and a lot of brands who are genuinely out there to help us as woodworkers and makers. So I worked with a lot of brands last year and a couple of them I feel like I dropped the ball a little bit, and I'm hoping to make up for that this year because there are some really great brands out there that I want to continue to work with. Anyways, to sum it up, I want to work with good brands, good products, and I want to show you guys good brands and good products. And I guess this kind of ties back to the business goal, which is working with brands is hopefully going to bring me in more money and more revenue, and it's going to open up a different side of the business, which is going to be contracting and just working on different things in that area. I'm really not 100% sure on how all that works. I've done contracting with brands, I've gotten paid from brands, but it's not like perfect. And number 5, my final goal, kind of a cliche, but it's to be more healthy. I have 3 kids, all of them under the ages of 8. and I want to be able to keep up with them. My oldest right now is really getting into just running around, biking, skateboarding, all the stuff that I really enjoyed when I was a kid and stuff that I still enjoy today. And I really want to be able to grab my longboard and get out there and just skate with him and have fun. In the current condition I'm in, I could maybe do that for about like 5 minutes. And I want to be able to do it all day. So I just want to be overall healthy. I need to check my diet, check my workout routine and things like that. But like I said, I know it's a cliche, but it's something that I really want to do. So I'm putting it out here for all of you to hear. Anyways, I know that having a list of goals is something that is important, and I highly encourage you to make your own list because it really, really will help you. Those are my goals for 2023. I'd love to hear some of yours down in the comments below, so make sure that you comment, like the video, and of course, subscribe. And that's it for me, guys. Be good, be safe, be happy, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace!